Hey guys, kind of wanted to do a little video on the kits that I actually did during the shutdown. Big 2 or 3 weeks, 4 weeks. The first week I was still at work, but didn't go anywhere, stayed at home. After work and did some models, I did just go back to work. What was it, the 16th of April, and got a little bit more done. Actually kind of tired, doing a lot more than I normally do at work. We're an extremely small staff, so I'm doing stuff that other people would be doing instead. Enough of that, but I wanted to show the 5 builds that I actually did during the shutdown, and I kind of wanted to do a fun little thing. I wanted you guys to vote for the one that you guys thought was the best. So the first one I got done was the 83 Camaro Z28, and the next one I did was the 76 Gremlin. I think it was a 76, which was this one in the back, the red, white, and blue Gremlin X, big drag slicks. And then I started the 50s Ford, the Iron Man edition, red and gold, right in the center. Then I started the Tamiya 89 Skyline GTR, this one right up here in front. And then I did the 57 Rust Bucket Rat Rod, which is this one. This is the first time I actually did a Rat Rod, Rusty Rod, you name it, car. I kind of would like to challenge the other ones to at least show off your builds that you were able to do in these isolation times, stay at home, work on models, not going out in public and trying to be safe, keeping everybody else safe. Show off the builds that you were able to do during these times. I know a lot of you guys are still at home, so this will be kind of like a little future ongoing thing. Maybe once you guys go back to work, show a video of all the work that you guys did, all the kits that we were able to get done. I think I'm getting a little burned out on models, but I'm not going to stop. I'm thinking about starting another one here tonight, even though it's getting kind of late. Don't know which, that's always the hardest part. But I really don't have anything in progress right now. Usually I have one in midway and one that's just starting. This is going to be like a clean cut, which I'm not used to, so I might actually have to start one, get it midway, and start on another one right away. That way I'm not tempted to put my fingerprints in wet clear or mess with stuff before it's dry. So please vote in the comments below. Tell me which one you thought was my best build out of these 3. I am going to go in wobbly mode, kind of do a little flyby. Hopefully it don't turn into a vomit by. So, as again, the 89 Skyline, the 83 Camaro, the 57 Rat Rod, the 50s Ford Custom, and then the Gremlin X, the 1976 AMC Gremlin X. So until next time, guys, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And till next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.